Academy in Factory is an innovative approach, a new game changer that will improve both sides, the demand side for employers and the current and the future workforce on the supply side. AIF is an alternative to the current education system. It empowers the non-formal education through job training. Uniquely, the candidates for the AIF, they are not students but they are workers. The purpose of AIF to reduce labor shortage in the short term and to reduce skill mismatch in the medium term. This suddenly would improve the country's productivity and competitiveness. For the pilot batch, AIF will include the so-called hidden workforce such as orang asli and paroli. Altogether, I see AIF will promote the Thrive Malaysian Plan agenda to promote a prosperous, inclusive and sustainable Malaysia.